The World Games are coming in July of 2022. Sumo, softball, lacrosse, sport climbing, powerlifting, and more. This is the new generation of sports. Tickets are on sale. Buy today at twg2022.com.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 12th of July. I'm James Spann. An ocean of humidity, blanket of moist air will stay in place across the deep south this week. Some chance of showers and thunderstorms each day. The good news, temperatures stay below average. Here we go. This is the upper air look. We've got troughing north and west of the state. That is aiding in this unsettled weather pattern that will likely generate a number of showers and thunderstorms later today. Got an upper high out west where they are hot and dry. That was the radar this morning around 5 o'clock. Alabama pretty quiet. Had a pretty good batch of rain and storms to the west over parts of central and western Mississippi. Temperatures mostly in the low 70s to start today. Highs today only in the low 80s in most places. That's 10 degrees below average for the 12th of July. There's the watch warning map. Flash flood watches for parts of the northeast United States and excessive heat warnings remain in effect for parts of the western states underneath the upper high, the heat dome. Got a marginal risk of severe storms north of Alabama today, but as always, we could see a few strong storms this afternoon. Also a risk of severe storms over the Florida Peninsula and the monsoon season cranking up over the southwest, a marginal risk for parts of Arizona and New Mexico. Tomorrow, a couple of marginal risks way up north. And day 3, which is Wednesday, slight risk for parts of Minnesota, Iowa, some of the adjacent states, and a marginal risk up in the northeast. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The western part of the country still dry. For Alabama, the amounts generally 1 to 2 inches for the north, 1/2 to 1 inch for the south, but we always stress in summer your number could vary because of the scattered nature of the storms. And how about the tropics? Quiet as a mouse. A lot of dry air and subsidence. Nothing for the next 48 hours. Nothing across the Atlantic basin for the next 5 days. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Upper high out west, troughing north and west of the state. And today, just like yesterday, cloudy at times, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms, most of them this afternoon and this evening. Highs, low 80s. Pretty much the same thing tomorrow. Low 80s in most spots. Wednesday, evidence the air could be slightly drier, but understand we'll still have scattered storms around. Highs mid to upper 80s. Same thing Thursday, and then Friday. Again, rain coverage will likely increase again across the state, with highs dropping back in the low to mid 80s. Cloudy at times. What about the weekend? Well, not a lot of change. This is Saturday. Evidence the more widespread showers could be over the northern half of the state, but there'll be some chance of showers statewide. And the same thing on Sunday. And understand it will not rain all day, just like we've seen for the last week. But when the storms do come, they'll be very efficient rain producers in this kind of tropical air mass. Monday, a week from today, July 19th, troughing to the north. And again, a number of showers and storms around, especially for the northern half of the state. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, July 21st. Same story. Upper high to the west, troughing north and west of Alabama, and a number of showers and storms will likely be around. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble, the mean between 4 and 5 inches between now and the 27th of July. And that's the good news. We see no drought problems here anytime soon. And of course, the other good news, temperatures stay below 90 for the next 10 days. How about that? This is coming off the national blend of models. And y'all know we can be broiling in the 90s this time of the year, and typically are. And how about this from the CPC? This is for July 19th through July the 25th. That big old blue circle right on top of us, which of course means temperatures here below average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with 2 N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.